To some legal matters now, dancehall producer Shab, who was accused of offering $2 million to a policeman in a gun matter, was this afternoon found not guilty. The producer, whose real name is Linval Thompson, was acquitted following a trial which began on February 19 in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Allegations were that in October 2021, he offered $2 million to a police officer to remove an illegal firearm from his grey Mercedes-Benz motor car before it was searched by investigators. Now, Shabdan was then charged with breaching the Corruption Prevention Act. Mr. Thompson was found not guilty after presiding judge Alwyn Smith found inconsistencies in the prosecution's evidence. He was represented by attorney Donahue Martin.